Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel Beauty and Fashion. We're so glad to see you here today because we have a really exciting topic lined up. In today's video, we'll be talking about trendy haircuts with voluminous crowns, a style that's perfect for women of all ages. We'll dive into how these haircuts can transform your look, add volume, and give you a stylish, modern vibe. So, if you're looking to refresh your hairstyle or just get inspired by some amazing looks, stay tuned till the end. Haircuts with voluminous crowns are an undeniable hit among modern fashionistas. These styles not only add volume in the right places but also create a stunning effect of movement and texture, making them ideal for women of any age and hair length. The key focus of these haircuts is the volume at the crown, which adds dynamism and freshness to the hairstyle. One of the most popular ways to achieve a voluminous crown is by using techniques like layered cuts, graduation, or cascading styles. These methods create a smooth transition from the roots to the ends, giving the illusion of naturally thick and bouncy hair. The layered cut, for example, is a multi-tiered style that's perfect for creating volume and movement. Thanks to the different levels of hair length, the hair appears more structured and interesting, giving the style a light and natural look. Graduation, on the other hand, adds texture and lifts the hair at the roots, visually elongating the face and creating an airy hairstyle effect. This style looks especially flattering on fine hair that often lacks volume. To enhance the layers, you can use styling products like mousse, foam, or volumizing spray, which help highlight the texture and add even more volume. However, it's crucial not to overdo the styling products, as this can make the hair appear stiff or overloaded. Graduated haircuts with voluminous crowns are also perfect for those who want to add texture and dynamism to their hair. They create a natural and slightly tousled look, which appears very modern and chic. This style is particularly popular among those who love experimenting and trying out new looks. Don't be afraid to add new elements to your hairstyle. Curls, a curling iron, or a bit of texturizing spray can make your look even more expressive. The key is to choose a variation that highlights your best features and complements your face shape and hair type. Voluminous crown haircuts are highly adaptable to any preferences, whether you want a simple style for everyday wear or a striking look for a special occasion. These haircuts can also be combined with other popular trends, such as bangs or asymmetrical cuts, to create even more unique looks. For instance, pairing a voluminous crown with soft, side-swept bangs can add a touch of elegance and frame your face beautifully. Asymmetrical elements can give the haircut a more edgy and bold vibe, perfect for those who want to stand out. It's important to work with a stylist who understands your hair texture and face shape to get the best result. In addition to the cut itself, how you style your hair plays a crucial role. Blow drying with a round brush can help lift the roots and add more volume to the crown area. Using a volumizing powder at the roots is another great trick to keep the volume in place all day long. If you want a more dramatic look, consider adding some loose curls or waves. They will enhance the layers and make your hair appear even fuller. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is that these haircuts work well on both straight and wavy hair, allowing you to experiment with different textures. Remember, choosing the right haircut is not just about following trends, it's about finding a style that makes you feel confident and expresses your personality. Voluminous crown hairstyles are versatile, easy to maintain, and they add that extra touch of glam to any look. Whether you prefer a sleek, polished style or a more tousled, casual vibe, these haircuts are a fantastic way to switch up your appearance. Don't hesitate to try new variations and find the perfect voluminous crown style that suits you best. After all, your hairstyle is an extension of who you are, and there's no better way to showcase your unique style than with a fabulous haircut. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. We hope you enjoyed our breakdown of haircuts with voluminous crowns and found some inspiration for your next look. Let us know in the comments which styles you love the most and what you'd like to see in future videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay stylish with us here on Beauty and Fashion.